distinguished co-workers in government, back from my visits to Thailand, Putrajaya, and maritime nations. The headway with the signing of Malaysia will continue. Coming chair of the ASEAN, this is one era that should bring.
Morning, Mr. President. Welcome po. Sir, napag-usapan niyo ba na
There's a lot of projects on deck. Source of livelihood. For niya, si just nakikinabang kasi. Police. You know,
migrated there?
yes, baka ihulog dyan pag uwi sa Pacific.